Hello viewers, if I going to share any files in Messenger and open camera roll is not opening, showing this error unable to load camera roll. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. If this problem occurs, then you can open camera roll in two ways. First, here you can see Google Photos app icon. Just tap on this option. After tap on Google Photos app icon, here you can see all files from your device. Now you can easily open camera roll. If this method not working, then here you can see camera icon. Just tap on this option. Now here you can see gallery option. Just tap on this option and see the camera roll is opened and all the photos in camera roll are showing here.